Welcome to our simple drawing application. We're kicking off with Tkinter, a classic Python library for GUI creation. Here comes our main window. It's like setting up a canvas for a masterpiece. Let's create our main window using TK. Think of it as the frame for our digital canvas. Giving our window a title, Simple Drawing App, simple and straightforward. Setting up the drawing canvas. It's where the magic happens. Creating a canvas of 800 by 600 pixels, like a digital paper to draw on. Packing our canvas to fill the entire window. More space, more creativity. Now, let's define some drawing mechanics. We're making art easy and fun. This function draws on the canvas. It's like our digital brush. Let's make our application interactive. It's like giving a voice to your mouse. We're making the canvas responsive to the mouse. Drag and draw, as simple as that. Our masterpiece is ready to be created. Let's start the app. This line starts our application. Imagine it saying, "Let the art begin." Congratulations! You've just built a simple drawing application with Python and Tkinter. Remember, every great artist was once a beginner. Start drawing and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts or questions. Happy drawing!